In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change mobile view in Divi Builder. If you design with Divi, reviewing your layout on a phone is essential, and switching the builder to a mobile-focused view makes that process faster and clearer. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and what it does so you can confidently design for smaller screens. First, open the Divi Builder for the page or layout you're working on. You can use the visual builder so you see the live canvas and the Divi interface around it. Give the page a moment to load so all the toolbars and panels appear. Once you're in the builder, look to the left-hand side of the interface. This is where Divi keeps a number of controls that affect how you work, including options that change how the canvas is displayed while you edit. We're going to use that panel to adjust the view. Next, click on Builder Settings. This opens a panel dedicated to how the builder behaves, separate from your actual page content. Think of it as a workspace preference. It won't rewrite your design, but it will change how you see and edit it. Inside Builder Settings, locate the option labeled Builder Default View Mode. This controls which device view the builder uses by default when you're editing. It's helpful because it saves you from toggling views every time you open a page, especially if you're currently focusing on mobile polish. Click the drop-down menu next to Builder Default View Mode. You'll see choices for different device previews. These don't publish anything to your site. They simply tell the builder how to display the canvas while you work so you can focus on the layout that matters most to you right now. From the list, choose Phone View. As soon as you select it, the editing canvas shifts to a narrow phone-sized preview. This lets you spot typical mobile issues quickly, like headings that wrap too long, spacing that feels cramped, or buttons that need more tap-friendly padding. Because this is now the default, the builder will open in phone view each time, keeping you in the right mindset as you fine-tune mobile styling and responsive settings on modules and sections. And that's it. You opened Divi Builder, went to Builder Settings, found Builder Default View Mode, used the drop-down, and set it to phone view. With this in place, you'll work faster and catch mobile quirks earlier, which leads to cleaner, more consistent results. Thanks for watching, and happy building.